Hi guys, welcome to our part 2 WordPress installation. So we're done with the installation anyway. So what we're gonna do here now, we're gonna show you how things work. So WordPress has a lot of things here. Let's go back here. So remember this folder was like this, empty. So when we refresh, you can see WordPress is gonna do what? Let me go back here. You see WordPress installed all these folders. There's this folder, WP admin, content, includes this folder. Much of when you're doing WordPress, when you work with WordPress, you don't much touch these two folders, these 1 and 2, but this one, that's where we're gonna find our stuff like themes. Those are your templates, and uploads and the plugins. We're gonna be working much with these much. So yeah, if you don't get much of some bugs and stuff, you even don't come here to touch these things, but you just have to know when maybe you get a problem and you say, okay, my plugin doesn't work well, or something doesn't work well, so you can come here and you delete one of the plugin you suspect that is not working perfect. Anyway, so let's go back to our what we wanna go back here, upload stuff. Yes, so if you want to upload a picture, you can click here and say add, then you add any picture you want to add. You can go to your desktop or anyway, then you upload whatever you want to upload anyway. So but now we've seen that WordPress is installed, but now I wanted to show you something. Though some of you advanced in programming and stuff, so WordPress uses MySQL database. So this is the database it created by its own, so you don't create that, it's created automatically. So you click here, and these are all the tables for WordPress where it stores all the information. You can see, you can read one by one, and you can see if you want to, but it's not necessary. So the only thing I wanted to show you that where is the database for WordPress, where does it store stuff. So from there we can go. As we said, it stores if you want your images are here, if you want your posts are here. These are pages, these are comments. The appearance, if you click here, that's where you get your themes, customized widgets, menus, theme edit, and all that stuff. So you can mouse roll over on each and everything, and you can even click on one if you want to, then you see what's going on in there. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe. See you in part 3, whereby we're gonna do a couple of things now. So this was just some sort of small introduction on each and everything, but we're gonna touch on each and everything here, because we're gonna have to install in some plugins, and we're gonna have to create some posts, we're gonna have to create some pages, and we're gonna do some comments and all that thing. So all those couple of things, we're gonna do them, but just here I wanted to show you how it goes. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe. See you in part 3.